Okay guys, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video. And today we're doing an unboxing of the UltraMintt Y3 from Mintt Smartphones Australia. Let's have a quick look at some of the specs. 4G, 6.3-inch V-notch display, Full HD. Octa-core, 2 GHz, high-speed CPU, 64 gigs of storage, 4 gigs of RAM, triple camera on the back, and a 24 megapixel camera on the front. Android version 9.0, and it is going to be updated to Android 10. It has a 4050 mAh battery, fingerprint scanner, facial recognition, NFC, and wireless charging. This is $399 Australian dollars. You can links down below. I'll put links down below, and big shout out to Mintt for sending this out to me to review. They sent me the UltraMintt Y3 and the UltraMintt Y3. Anyway, enough waffle. Let's get this open. Here is the device. Just put that there for a moment. See what else we got. Now in the UltraMintt Y3, the battery you installed in it. So I'm just going to see if that's the case with the UltraMintt. And it does not look like that's the case, which is cool. So USB Type-C, that's good. Happy to see that in there. That's what we want. Headphones, 3.5mm headphone jack on the phone. That's what we want to see. And a case, great to see they've thrown a case in. We always want a case with our new phone. Happy days. Let's get rid of the rest of the box and have a look at what we've got here. Now, most phones come with a little bit of juice in them, so we'll see if that's the case here. There's a vibration. Nice looking back. Oh, I'll take this bit of plastic off. Look at that. That looks pretty amazing. The way that light shimmers off there. I like it. That is different and I like it. All right. 20 megapixel, 16 megapixel, and 5 megapixel. So I think you've got your standard lens, zoom lens, or telephoto lens, and wide angle lens. And then on the front, you have your 24 megapixel fingerprint scanner, and it does have facial recognition as well. On the bottom, you have your USB Type-C, headphone jack, and a speaker. On the left-hand side is where your charging port goes. On the top, you have a microphone, and on the bottom, a microphone. I really like the look of this. It's a really nice looking phone. You got the flash there under the triple camera setup. A little bit of a bezel around the outside, but who cares? I've never really been too fussed about bezels. You know, people say, oh, it's a bezel-less phone, but who cares? This is going to be my daily driver. That's pretty quick. All right, so here we go. We're set up, ready to go. I mean, we're going to get some apps. Hardly any apps in here. You've got calculator, calendar, camera, Chrome. Pretty much just all Google. There's a note-taking app there that looks a little bit different. And that's pretty much it. We'll go into the settings. I'll scroll down. About device. UltraMintt Y3. Android version 9. July 5th security patch. So we're 1 month off the mark there, which is great. Dual SIM slots. There's some pretty cool stuff on here. Anyway, let's check out the camera. We all know I like to check out the camera as soon as I've unboxed a device. I just want to see how fast the shutter is most of the time. So let's have a quick look. And that was fast. That was super fast. Let's just, let me just show you. See that? See how quick that was? That's what we're looking for when we're unboxing a new device. And that's not a bad looking image. Now, should I try the front facing camera? Do I really want to torture you all with my selfie? Let's have a quick look. Again, the shutter was really fast, and there is the photo. And that's pretty detailed, pretty clear. You know what I like about that? There's no over softening like with some of the other phones. You get a lot of beauty mode already applied, but not with this phone. It's pretty stock standard camera. That's pretty much it. I like how basic it is. I really do like how basic it is. I'm going to give this a quick wipe down. There's the free case. Let me check that fingerprint scanner quickly. Super fast. I like a fingerprint scanner more than most unlocking options these days. That's just my opinion. For me, I just like having it there, having my finger rest on the back and unlock the device. So there we have it. The UltraMintt Y3, triple camera on the back, 4000 milliamp hours, wireless charging, headphone jack, speakers, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage. Everything's pretty cool with the UltraMintt Y3. Hit me up in the comments down below. Tell me, what questions do you have? I'm going to be doing a full review. Like, this is going to be my daily driver. I'm going to take it everywhere and do everything with it. Tell me what you want to know. I'm going to run it through its paces and do a full review. And here is its little brother. $200, $400. That price is phenomenal. I don't think you're going to get better phones for the price. But you can be the judge of that. Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. I'll be back soon with another video. Check out.